Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a family budget with Discover, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all of your financial documents. Collect your income statements, including pay stubs and any additional sources of income. Next, list all of your monthly expenses. Include fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Open the Discover budget tool on their website or app. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section. Input your total monthly income in the designated field. Add your fixed expenses one by one. Make sure to specify the amount for each fixed expense. Next, enter your variable expenses to get a complete picture. Estimate your spending for categories like dining out and shopping. Review the summary to see your total income versus expenses. Identify any areas where you may be overspending. Set realistic financial goals that align with your income. Consider allocating a portion of your budget for savings or debt repayment. Save your budget and review it regularly to stay on track. Adjust as needed, especially if your financial situation changes. That's it. You now have a family budget set up with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.